Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So today I'm going to touch upon a very important topic in your life, and the topic name is savers are losers. Friends, this is a very controversial topic, and uncles and aunties or senior citizens, whoever are viewing this, and if you feel if you have a difference of opinion, please do ignore me. Please don't criticize on this topic. But this, I agree, all the youngsters, all the beginners, all the people, those who are newly entering into the financial world, those who are entering into responsibilities, those who have to take care of families, those who are earning for their families, all those who are just complete their college life. For them, this topic is very very important, because I am going to share something which I have learned in past 10 years of my life. So I also started working past 10 years back. So that is the reason. There are many learnings which I had, and there was no one to guide during those times, and I felt that this is very much important for me, that I compile all this and share it to you all, especially for the fraternity, especially for the family who are along with me, who are part of this angel trading friend group. So I would like to share this topic to you all. Okay. Friends, you would have heard about this proverb a lot in your life, especially for your parents. The proverb is, a penny saved is a penny earned. Okay, so my mother keeps telling this, and she also practiced me keep always saving even a single rupee every time whenever there was any expenses or there was when any income which was coming. She kept on teaching me this concept of saving. So this is what all our parents, most of our parents, I agree, it's not that all our parents, but most of our parents are taught, and that is what they have been teaching us. But friends, let me say you, this proverb no longer stays for this generation. This generation has changed completely, and as of now the savers are losers. Okay, so you might ask me how and what and all those things, and what's the solution for all this. So all this I'll be covering in this video, and I'll show you exactly what I meant by this savers are losers, with all solid evidences and proofs, and also what's the solution for this. That also will be covered in this video, in this topic. Okay friends, so wait and watch till end of the video, and any doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095876525. Okay, so let us go forward. This is one statement which I felt worth telling, that is, money is just a tool. What you do with it shows character. Okay, so even in our Bible as well, there was a situation, there was a story in which a father gives money to three kids, and one of the kid just kept the money idle with himself. One of the kid multiplied the money, and another kid spent all the money. So what you do with it, it shows your character. Okay, it's just, money is just a tool. So whatever you're earning, whatever you're saving, you can multiply it, or you can just spend it, or you can just keep it idle in your bank account. It's all left to you, but it only proves, or it shows your character. Now let me give you an example. Let us say, for example, we have 1 lakh with us, which we have saved. 1 lakh is a big amount for most of us, because we all are middle class people, where we get good salaries, not good salaries, decent enough salaries. We all know that whatever salary we get, our expenses are always equal to our income. So this is common for all the working classes, all the middle class people. So somehow imagine we saved 1 lakh fund with us, and we put it in FD. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about, savers or losers. Please go through this, and if there is any small changes in this, you can do the adjustments, but this example proves overall. Okay, so mostly what we are taught is put into FDs or put into RDs. This is the most common savings which we know, and which, if at all we say anybody to save money, this is what we do. There are some people who don't even put into FD, they just keep it idle into their bank account. For them I have nothing to say, but this is a general common thing which most of you do, and what I was doing, sorry, in fact. So as of now, we all know that returns has come down drastically to 6.5%. Maximum you can see some banks giving you 7%. Let us take the worst case of 6.5%, which comes to 6,500 rupees, and mind you, this is per year. Okay, after this comes the main culprits, the income tax. Okay, so people those are in the higher bracket will have 30%, and people in the lower bracket will have 10%, but let me just take overall average. 20% of this fund of 6,500 already goes for your income tax. Then with whatever you are left, friends, there's an important thing called as inflation. Okay, so I don't want to go in depth detail about inflation. So inflation varies from a higher percentage of any percentage, but let us say overall it has been 2% from the past 5 to 10 years. So every year this 2% of your money keeps reducing. That is what is called inflation. The value of your money keeps reducing. So 1 lakh which is valuable now, after 2 years or 3 years the value of 1 lakh will be reducing. Okay, so I don't want to go in full depth about inflation, but overall what I am trying to show you here is 1 lakh, what you feel is a very good amount, is fetching you nothing. Your money is not making any returns for you. It is kept idle in the bank account and there is no returns out of it. And whatever comes, the income tax has to be paid for that, and inflation is also eats away the money. And I don't want to comment on other things. Okay. So I would like to bring upon a quote of my favorite so-called gurus. I follow basically mainly two gurus, and one among them is Robert Kiyosaki. And what he says is, don't work for money, make money work for you. I have kept on telling this proverb many times in my videos and strategies. So this also people will say, yes, this is also one method of making money work for you. But friends, you can see that the returns are very bad, very low. Okay. Second quote, as I told you, one of my another guru, which is Warren Buffett, who has said is that if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. You agree with me? This is something which has to pinch you, which has to poke you. This is a situation, friends, which we all have to come across. Please mind that. Make money work for you. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Put this impression deep down into your mind, and then I will also give you the solution. So don't worry about all that. But this has to be understood. First, the top point is, don't work for money, make it work for you. And the second thing is, if you have to identify a method for making money while you sleep, that is without any tension, without any headache, money has to keep on working, and then you don't have to work lifelong. Okay friends, now comes a beauty. What in case if I give you 86,400 every day in your account? Okay, but the only condition is that if you don't utilize it on the same day when I give you, you will lose it. What will you do with so much? Okay, just think, what will you do? You're getting 86,400 every day into your account, but if you don't utilize it on the same day, you will be losing it. Okay. Well friends, you all have forgotten that time is money. You daily have 86,400 seconds in a day, but if you don't utilize it properly, or if you don't make use of it, then you will be losing it on the same day. Now how will you utilize this time to make money? This is what is covered in today's topic, and this is what I am going to teach you, and this will be an eye opener for most of you all, because it's time to think, it's time to change your orientation, it's time to think the way how you are spending your money or how you are utilizing your money. Friends, welcome you all to the stock market game. The stock market, also we can call it as a game. If at all you know the rules of the game, you will be able to make lots and lots of money. Friends, you all know my channel. My channel name is Angel Trading Friend, and I've been uploading lots of videos and strategies. Of late I had uploaded a bank nifty option strategy. It's a very beautiful strategy where you will be making money with options, because options requires very less money. But the beauty of options is, friends, that you make money along with time. That is why I am covering this topic today about time, because in options our money is nothing but time. As the time passes, you'll be making more and more money. So time is our friend here, and you're not wasting any of your time. So this topic will be covered in today's video. Okay, so what I recommend is start with only 1,000 to 10,000 rupees only. Okay, you can go through all my videos, you can select whichever you want. Okay, you can see that I have uploaded many live trading videos as well, many strategies as well. I have done in equities, I have done in options. There are many more. Just go through my channel. But the most important thing is be ready to not to earn any money for 1 year. Most of them start investing money and start expecting from day one itself they start making money. What they start saying that, sir, I invested 10,000 rupees and will I get 10% every month, will I get 5% every month? Please, when anybody asks me that, I get so very annoyed. If it was so very easy, then friends, then everybody would have stopped doing all the hard work 9 to 6 jobs and everybody would have invested money in the stock market. Please, if at all, if anybody has told you that you can start making money from day one or from 1 month of your start trading, then please, it's a what should I say? It's a okay. I don't want to comment on that, but please don't believe such kind of false commitments. Okay, start with 1,000 or 10,000 rupees only. Don't go to trade for more than 10,000 rupees for 1 year for the 1 year, and please consider it as spending money for your degree or your course. Say for example, you have done your engineering or you have done your commerce degree, whatever it is. We spend 4 years patiently waiting by spending our course fees or our degree fees, and we wait patiently for 3-4 years, and then only after 4 years we start getting our salaries in case if we get a job. So when we are having so much of patience for getting a salary of around 30-40,000 initially, then why not have patience to earn money in stock market? So what I would say, that is the reason why I am pinpointing here is start making money only after 1 year. So have patience for 1 year. This is point number one. Point number two, don't trade with more than 10,000 rupees, because anyways you're going to lose this money in this first 1 year. So why then lose a major amount? You can just lose little amount, but the experience what you get, the learnings what you get will be very huge. Okay friends, so yeah, I just want to even show you that we started off with this 60 days live trading program, and this was like basically I wanted to show that how a trading is all about, because many people think that in a life of a trader always there are profits, there won't be any loss, and they continuously keep making money all the time. But no, I wanted to prove you all, I want to show you all how a trader's life is all about, and that is why we started off this live trading campaign program of 60 days. And then daily I was recording my videos and posting it. So you saw that there were regular losses as well, there were profits as well, and overall average has to be in profit. So this is what was all about, and you can see that end of the program. Unfortunately, I had to close it at 47. We almost made 22,627. It is more than 40% returns, and even if you complete 60 days, you will be in profit itself. But I did not want to spend more time on that because I was busy with other activities. But the concept which I wanted to show in this program was clear cut conveyed. I taught you about money management, I taught you about risk reward ratio, I taught you about discipline, and strategy can be anything. Friends, and also I was promoting a lot about learning these strategies and implementing yourself, and I was not sharing my open trades. I stopped giving open trades, but then I don't know why again and again most of you want me to share their open trades. So then I have decided to again start off with the open trade. So in case if you want open trades, you can just WhatsApp on my number and take it as well. Okay, so as soon as I trade, I'll be sharing the signals on WhatsApp. So in case if you want it, you can also subscribe for the same. Okay, so without wasting much time, as I was telling you, we can generate monthly income or monthly returns from options, because in options we make use of time, and each minute is precious for us, each minute is valuable for us. We make more money with more time. Okay, generally what happens is we wait for the options to get expired. Okay, so you might be wondering what it is. I'll just show you. Yeah, I had showed you this options trading tactics program where we all learnt about options, and then you can see that it's a positional strategy where we'll keep making money when time passes. That is, if we wait till end of the month, we make more money. So this is how options works. Okay, so this is 2018 data. I'll just show you 2019 as well. Yeah, so 2019 also, as of now you can see we are at 477 points profit. So 2019 also we started off nice. Okay, and the best part is it's a positional strategy where you don't have to spend much time. Just place your trade on the end of the expiry and then just wait, or you can just observe once in a week or twice in a week, and then there is no trade daily to be done. So this is the beauty of this options. You can just go through this. As I told you, it's like a Chakravyuha. Options, many strategies are available on YouTube, you can go through anything. But in case if you want to learn how to come out of it, how to do the adjustments, then you can just take up this options trading tactics program. It's a mentorship program for 6 months. So in case if you have any confusion, any doubts, we can clarify and we can trade together for 6 months. So in case if you need this mentorship program for generating monthly income from options, you can then just WhatsApp and inquire about it. Okay friends, so apart from that, as I already told you, spend time on these strategies. One of the favorite and one of the best super hit strategy which I recently uploaded was the Bank Nifty options. It's a price action strategy. You can see already that there is 8.8 thousand views and many of them started liking it. In case if you want that Excel file, you can just also WhatsApp and ask me. It's very simple, very easy to implement. I'll also make a follow-up video on that about the trades which we executed this week and the coming week as well. So more updates you'll be getting on that. So any other doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. But last but not the least, do you really need a coach? If you feel that you need a coach, you need a person, you need a mentor to support you, to guide you, to take you through this journey of making money through stock market passively, then you can always rely on me. You can inquire the same. You can WhatsApp me, ping me, just give me a message on my WhatsApp number 8095876525 and I'll be happy to help you. Any doubts, any confusion, any point of time, you can just WhatsApp and then I will reply whenever I'm free. Please don't expect me to call everyone because I keep getting calls and I keep getting messages. If I start picking all the calls, then I won't be able to trade and also I won't be able to do my trading programs which I am doing as of now. Okay friends, so once again, thank you for watching the video and please do subscribe my channel if you're watching for the first time. And also in case if you need any back tested file which I have posted, any strategies of mine, you can just ping me on my number, WhatsApp on my number. I'm repeating it once again, it's 8095876525. And also don't forget to join Upstock. I provide the link in the description of this video. You'll be getting 50% discount on my additional services. Okay friends, thank you and have a nice day.